Hello friends! Did you know that by having proper and standard slides, you can make a huge difference for your audience? In this video, I want to talk to you about the importance of this topic using the results of a completely scientific study. Professor John Medina, who I can confidently say is one of the best experts in understanding the nature of the human brain in the world, presents the results of a scientific study in his famous book, Brain Rules, stating that two different groups were taught the same educational content, but in two different ways. The first group received a series of lessons based solely on text, and after some time, when their learning was assessed, it was found that their retention of the material was only 10%. In contrast, the second group was taught the same content, but in a different way, using relevant images and other media. After the same period, when their learning and retention were evaluated, it was found that their learning had increased to 65%. So, based on this research, we can conclude that if we use proper slides in our presentations, speeches, or teaching, anywhere we need to present information, we can significantly enhance learning. And in the second group, which was taught the same content, but in a different way, using related images or using other media, after the same period of time, when the level of learning and memorization of the content was measured by this group, they saw that the level of learning had increased by 65%. So, based on this research, we can conclude that if we also use proper slides in our presentations, speeches, or teaching, anywhere we need to present information, we can make a significant difference. And if we incorporate relevant images into our slides, we can really help our audience learn the content much better and minimize forgetting. Of course, this is only effective if the slides are used properly and meet the standards. And by using relevant images in our slides, we can make a huge difference for our audience, helping them to learn our content really well and minimizing the amount of forgetting that happens. Of course, this is only effective if the slides are used properly and meet the standards.